Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am up here at Y Trail. It goes to the BYU Y symbol. I'm pretty close to the Y right now. My big objective is to get up into Slide Canyon and then travel up that canyon for a bit. And then there's a side trail that goes up to Maple Flat. And so that's the area I want to check out today. Map says there's a spring up there. That's one thing I want to see, if in fact there is a spring up there. Also, I want to check out the flat. It's literally right above my house. My house is right down just in that area over there. We're gonna get up in there. It's gonna get tree, probably snowy. Looks like there's pines up there. Obviously there's probably some scrub maple, hence the name Maple Flat. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today, guys. Thanks for joining me. Alright, so I just made it to the entrance to Slide Canyon. That's Slide Canyon there behind me. We're already up quite a ways on the trail before you actually hit the canyon. This canyon's pretty high up where it starts. It's kind of windy right here. I hope the wind dies down as I get up into the canyon. We'll have to see. It's so beautiful behind me. Maple Flat is up on top of that, so I got to see if I can make it up there. I don't know how much snow is going to get in my way, but Slide Canyon, y'all. Well, I made it to where the trail turned off to go up to Maple Flat, and there's way too much snow, especially on this north-facing ridge where I think the trail goes up into there. Yeah, it goes up into there. So much snow, I can't see where the trail is. Looks like some scrambling, so no Maple Flat till the snow subsides, but I'm going to keep on going up Slide Canyon for a bit here and just explore it. So I actually just sat down. I'm up a little bit further than that turnoff that I was just at to go up to Maple Flat. There's a lot of snow up here, so I decided just to kick back, have a quick lunch, which I already ate, and now I'm just chilling, enjoying, and I'm going to start heading back down. Too much snow still here. Beginning of April, unfortunately. I thought we might have less up here, just because we didn't have the snow year that we had last year. So I guess, you know, it was a good workout, but it was a bust to get up to Maple Flat. I'd like to go up further, but snow's just deep. Well, there's the log I just chilled on up here. Y Mountain's just right up there. The trail breaks off from the main trail and goes up. It's Y Mountain. Not gonna do that either. And that way it goes further up the canyon. You can either take a right and go to Boardman Spring by Slate Canyon, or head up to Rock Canyon Campground area. So, but I am headed back down, my friends. Here we go. I don't know if it's going to come out on film, but there's a huge cave over there. It would be a rough one to get to. But man, it's pretty cool. I don't know, it doesn't look like it goes in very deep, but you could definitely hunker in and get out of the weather for sure. Alright y'all, coming back to the parking lot. Really good hike. Glad I got out. We'll catch y'all later. Be safe and adventure on.